All right, guys, so as some of you know, when you order your CVO Tour-Pak, it doesn't come with a backrest. So the backrests that they have are, they don't have any that matches your seat pretty much. So you have to just fend for yourself and try and locate one. The ones at the dealer, they don't match. The ones anywhere else, they don't match. So I ordered one on Amazon and it was about 90 bucks. I saw one for like 60, 70. So I ordered like 3 of them and they're okay. I always figured that what I could do is just take it to like one of the bike weeks and stuff like that and get the same kind of material added on and things like that. But I did see one on Advanblack that I ordered, and I'm about to open it up and see what they have in here. All right, so the cool thing about Advanblack is they always send you like stickers and stuff like that. I stick them up there or stick them up on my laptop. I'll put those on this side. Little cards and QR codes. I love getting discounts from them because I'm always buying something from Advanblack. I just can't wait to see what this one looks like. Hold on. All right, so right away, I can see and feel that the quality of this seat is so much better than the one that I had got on Amazon. And I was looking for this tan stitching, and bam, it already matches. So yeah, guys, Advanblack is the way to go for your CVO backrest. And so I'm gonna take, the good thing about Amazon, so they sell these on Amazon. The good thing about Amazon is you can take stuff back or return it. And I love that. So automatically I see this as a stitch match. It looks brighter in the video, but I'm sure with the rain and the sunlight and stuff like that, it'll dull. Like it's got like some shiny sheen on there, but I think that'll dull over time. But it does match the stitching, so I like that. So, yep, go on Advanblack and get your backrest for your CVO. Real easy to install. It just comes with the 3. I'm just gonna do this right now. Take these off, and it goes right here on the old one, or on the one that you have on there. Or if you don't have one, it just, goes on the back, you screw it on. Pretty simple, right? Wow, and how quickly things become an install video. God, I would just really run into the mailbox. So I'm just taking these off. I have a 10 millimeter. As you can see, I'm just gonna loosen them enough to, I like just using this piece right here, and then I'll just work it like that. So be right back. Obviously, once the screws are out, take that off and set it in a safe place. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and install the other one. Same way. Some people are gonna ask, yo man, you're gonna put some Loctite on there? But of course, I'm putting Loctite on here. These bikes vibrate like crazy, so all you need is a little drop and put some Loctite on there. Here we go, little dab of blue Loctite. And I only put a little dab because you can see it running on there, and I'm doing this while I'm putting the top back on this stuff. What happens is when it starts to thread, it's gonna get on everything. So, I mean, when I say everything, it's just gonna go where it's supposed to go. So I'm gonna take it, put it through the holes, and put the nuts on. All right, so it is a tighter fit. And that's because this thing has a little bit more cushion than the last one. So I just gotta tighten these up. I don't know what size these are, but I'm glad I put Loctite on there. All right. All right, so just setting my tools down. This wasn't supposed to be an install video, but it's just so easy that I just figured, go ahead and do it. All right, so that's how we're looking. Old, new. This Amazon one, I mean, you get what you pay for. Like this is tight, like up here, tight leather. Real nice. You can like probably lean on it. This right here, look at that. It's just real mushy. Mushy. Cosmetically, it looks fine, but you put your hand on it and you're like, whoa, that's a little loosey-goosey. So anyway, this is tight like muscle. This is loose like, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna put this in a box and send it back to Amazon. All right, so this one was, I think it was under $200. Can't remember. I'll put the price in the description and the item number in the description. But so far, so good. I like it. I'm not gonna have buyer's remorse. And I'm not even gonna have it upholstered with the suede looking stuff. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I don't know. I always say what I'm not gonna do, then I end up doing it. But I like that look right there. That's a winner. So you guys with these platinum, dark platinum CVOs, Advanblack right here, all day, baby. And I put myself on the camera just so y'all know it's me. What's up, y'all? All right, guys, thanks for watching Chris Glides. We did an install on the backrest, just a quick video, no editing, just bam, there you go. How you install a backrest for the chopped Tour-Pak on the Harley-Davidson CVO or any Harley-Davidson. All right, guys, peace out. Hey, what's up, guys? Just had to come back real quick to say that the seat that I took off was not an Amazon brand, but it was just some brand, off-brand that Amazon does sell, and it works. So I was gonna leave it on there, but found something better. So not to down that product, it does work. It was just a little squishy. All right, so thanks for watching another episode of Chris Glide, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks, bye.